Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Train Tutor. Let us see how to solve the problem. If x plus 1 by x equals 7, then find the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube. So the solution here is we have x plus 1 by x equals 7. So let us name this equation 1. On squaring 1 both the sides, we get x plus 1 by x whole square equals 7 square. We get x plus 1 by x whole square equals 49. So we can expand the LHS using the identity, that is a plus b whole square equals a square plus b square plus 2ab, where a is x and b is 1 by x. We get x square plus, that is a square, okay, and 1 by x square, that is b square, plus 2 into ab, that is 2 into a is x and b is 1 by x, equals 49. And we get x square plus 1 by x square, x and x will get cancelled, plus 2 equals 49, implies x square plus 1 by x square equals 49 minus 2, that's equal to 47. See, but in the question we'll have to find the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube. So what we can do is we'll have to multiply equation 1 by equation 2, that is multiplying the LHS terms and multiplying the RHS terms. We get x plus 1 by x into x square plus 1 by x square equals 7 into 47. Now we'll multiply this two terms. X into x square is x cube plus x into x 1 by x square is 1 by x plus 1 by x into x square is x plus 1 by x into 1 by x square is 1 by x cube equals 7 into 47, that is equal to 329. See, we need only x cube plus 1 by x cube. So what about this x plus 1 by x? So from equation 1, okay, from 1, we have x plus 1 by x equal 7. Let us rewrite this equation as x cube plus 1 by x cube plus x plus 1 by x equals 329, and then we'll substitute the value of x plus 1 by x equals 7. That is x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 7 equals 329, or we can write x cube plus 1 by x cube equals 329 minus 7 equals 322. Therefore, we can write x cube plus 1 by x cube equals 322. So we found the value. Thank you. Thanks for watching.